Good afternoon, Year 2. Welcome to your SPAG lesson. Today we are carrying on focusing on conjunctions and looking at the ones so, and, but, or. So those coordinating conjunctions. In our writing last week, we were looking at subordinating. Here for today, we're going back and just making sure we fully understand how to use our coordinating conjunctions, okay? So your first little task, you've got two sentences here, but they've all been mixed up. So I want you to pause the video and rewrite those sentences so they make sense. Off you go. All right, so you should have done that by now. I like apples, but I don't like pears. But you could have had, I like pears, but I don't like apples. Absolutely fine either way. And my cat is black and he is fluffy. But you could have also had, my cat is fluffy and he is black. So in both of them, the two words could be mixed around. But as long as you've got that general structure, well done. So please find the conjunction in this sentence. So this is question one. You can write out the whole sentence and underline it, or you can just write number one and tell me what the conjunction is. It's up to you. So the conjunction here is but. So well done if you saw that. Right, circle the conjunction needed to join the sentences together. So which conjunction would you use to join these two sentences together? Would you like some popcorn? Would you prefer some sweets? Would you use so or would you use or? Which one makes more sense? Would you like some popcorn, so would you prefer some sweets? Would you like some popcorn or would you prefer some sweets? Which one makes more sense? Okay, so you've written your answer by now. The answer is or. Well done if that's what you put. Because they're options. We talked about this before. Or options, or options. Would you like popcorn or sweets? It's an option. Okay, two sentences, only one uses the conjunction correctly. Pause the video, read the sentences, tell me which one is correct. Okay. So sentence A says, after swimming, I need a snack but a drink of water. And sentence B says, we will be doing gymnastics and playing hockey in PE this term. That one sounds much better. So I think A is the one that doesn't use it correctly, but B does. And there you go, B uses it correctly. So well done if you said B. Okay, 4 sentences and 4 conjunctions. Pause the video, write out each sentence and put the correct conjunction for each. Off you go. Right, so we saw a castle blank a fort on our class trip. So I would say probably and a fort, because they saw 2 things. It's like making a list. Andy likes watching cartoons. His sister prefers playing video games. I think we're probably looking at a but there. He likes watching cartoons, but his sister prefers playing video games. I want to go to London so I can see the famous landmarks. My dad told me that I could choose to set the table, one option, or wash the dishes, the other one. So well done if you got those. And, but, so, or. Right. Remove the conjunction from the sentence below. So it says, Harry won the sprinting race, so he got a gold medal in assembly. So you're just doing it in reverse. So now take out the conjunction and write 2 separate sentences that made up that sentence. Because if you remember, a coordinating conjunction brings together 2 independent sentences together. So what are those 2 independent sentences? Pause the video, have a go. Okay, this one was a bit trickier, but there are 2 sentences here. Harry won the sprinting race, he got a gold medal in assembly. Mr. Chen asked class 2 to share a sentence using a conjunction. Bella says, I have brown hair and brown eyes. Raheem says, I have 2 brothers or 1 little sister. Which sentence is incorrect, and can you explain how you know? This is the final question, and it's slightly trickier because you need to say why. You need to say how you know which one's correct or incorrect and why. So pause the video, have a go. Who is incorrect, Bella or Raheem? Okay. So there's lots of explanations you could have had, but it's Raheem who is incorrect. All right, so you should have said something along the lines of, Raheem is incorrect because, and it's because he's used the conjunction or, which is options, yeah, when you have options, whereas his sentence isn't about options. He's saying he has 2 brothers and a little sister, not he has one or the other. It's that he has both, okay? So as they say here, Raheem is incorrect because he has used or, which is used to show choices. He should have used and, right? So that is your SPAG for today. Please have a go at writing sentences using all the 4 different conjunctions, okay? Send them into year2@theprimaryacademy.com, and then I'm sure Miss Druce will give a shout out to whoever does the best sentences using those conjunctions. Be creative with it. Think about the best sentences you can think of. All right, thanks everyone.